more sparkles. The sparks actually in the flames right. Our birch tappy. What have we got in there?
Ooh.
Just over 300 mils.
Well, that's not bad.
So, and this way, the way we've done it a sustainable way by just cutting a piece of the stem here, which stops the infection.
Yeah, so you cut.
We've cut the tip of the branch here at an angle, so we're going to stop any infection really doing into the tree, but allows us to collect the sap really well.
So instead of drilling into the main bark of the tree, there's a drip. There goes drip.
Coming out.
Drip just came off.
This is about 3 hours in here, and we've obviously we've had quite a bit out of it earlier as well. So so we've had over half a litre so far.
Yeah.
By just allowing it.
So if you had a few pots, you could cut like 5 or 6
Yeah, you could make loads and collect some.
But that's better for the tree.
It's much better for the tree. It's giving lessen chances for infection. If there's anything that's going to get in there, it's just going to affect this branch, rather than going into the main stem and start causing a decay in there.
Cool.